Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Today I want to take a look at two very unique and interesting stocks that not only have upcoming ex-dividend dates this next week on the 19th, but also may be traded with some momentum trading in a swing trade type of scenario versus a longer term buy and hold with a contrarian investment strategy in place. These two stocks here, Tupperware, TUP, STX, Seagate Technology, have been trading in a very similar fashion over the past 1 year or so, and again have opportunities for a dividend capture next week, ex-dividend dates on the 19th, versus a swing trading momentum type of strategy versus a buy and hold contrarian investment strategy, with the price of both stocks depressed over the past 1 to 1.5 years or so. So let's take a look at the first stock here, TUP, Tupperware. Everybody knows exactly what this company is involved in. You can see on the bottom there number of different brands and categories, but essentially design-centric preparation, storage, serving solutions. I think of Tupperware bowls when I think of the Tupperware company, but it has a whole host of different brands and categories that does operate under its business platform. Q3 earnings here, very profitable company. You can see a very good dividend yield, 5.69% dividend yield, an okay PE ratio for its category, 19.32. Larger small cap company there, 3.04 billion. And you can see the graph over the past 1 day and 1 week here, some positive momentum, 2.23% up. Over the last 1 month here, 4.3% up. But if we take a look at a little bit longer term here, 16% down over the last 3 months, 1 year down 2.52%. And over the past 5 years, you can see kind of the up and down pattern here, only up 25.72%. So a number of different ways to trade this. Like I said, on the 19th next week here, Monday, tomorrow will be the first and only day to buy this stock to get that dividend. 68 cents per share, the dividend, not too bad. And you can see here that the dividend yield, like I said, is very, very good. It's 5.169%. So a very good opportunity to pick up this for a dividend capture. But the other nice thing about this stock, and it has been trending up. So after that very abrupt downtrend here in the price, 2% down all the way to 14% down, so about 12% drop there or so, 16% over the past 1 month. There is some momentum trading that's driving this stock up, so might be a great way to get in, get the dividend, as well as a nice swing trade with some momentum trading. One way to play the stock, but again, a very good company that has seen this big drop here. This may be a good stock to get in at discount, buy and hold for the longer term. With the price being depressed here, this may be a very good buy and hold stock. So a number of ways to play that, 3 potential ways. Dividend strategy, get the dividend, sell off right away. A swing trading strategy, buy, get the dividend, hold for maybe a week or so. Assuming the stock is continuing to trend up here, again, over the past 1 month, 4.3% in the green, then sell off, or simply buying it at discount, holding for the longer term, 1 to 5 years, to get a little bit better rate of return, buying a stock on discount. The same thing applies to STX here, a very similar stock in the way it's traded of recent. Like the other stock, TUP here, it's got a very good dividend yield, 6.503%, a good dividend, a good PE ratio for its class, 12.996. A little bit larger company here, kind of a mid-cap company, 9.79 billion. Very profitable company as well. You can see on the bottom there, profit was a little bit lower than expected the last quarter here, which accounts for the price drop. But again, similar to TUP here over the last 1 week, 6.49% in the green. 1 month, 5.48%. But if we take a little bit longer term look here, 20.02% down over the last year, 3.97%. So again, just like TUP, a number of different ways to trade this stock. One way would be simply to jump in tomorrow, get the 63-cent dividend. That's going to be happening, ex-dividend date on the 19th. So tomorrow will be the day to buy. Hold until the 19th, and you can sell off thereafter to get that dividend, or maybe hold a little bit longer with a swing trade, momentum trade in play. The other way would be to simply buy and hold the stock for the longer term. You can see here it's a very good company, but it does have that big price drop here, as you can see here, 39 down to 33, 32 or so. Would be to buy it and then hold it for the longer term, hoping it trends up nicely. At one point it was up to almost $60. So a number of different ways to trade this. Pure dividend capture play, a dividend capture with swing trade associated with that, or simply buying and holding on discount, kind of a contrarian investment strategy, hoping that the price of the stock will rebound not only rebound past the discount here, but much higher, maybe even back to where it was back in 2014, 2015 or so. So again, STX here, Seagate Technology, TUP Tupperware, two very similar stocks in the way they've traded over the past 1 year to 1.5 years. Each has a dividend capture this next week. On the 19th will be the ex-dividend day. So tomorrow, the 18th, will be the day to buy the stock. 0.68 per share for TUP, 0.63 cents per share for STX. You can buy both of those on the 18th, sell off on the 19th there or thereafter to get that dividend. Maybe hold for maybe a week to 2 weeks, maybe even up to a 1 month period. They get a nice swing trade associated with the dividend capture, or maybe you just want to buy and hold for the longer term, thinking this is a great contrarian investment play. Price is depressed, it's on sale, then holding that for a nice return over maybe a 1 to 5 year time span. So a lot of different ways to play these two stocks. Again, very unique and interesting plays here. But as I say in all of my videos, there's some risk involved with this as well. Each type of trading strategy has some risk. The least amount of risk, I think, would be the dividend capture if the price of the stock does not stay down after the ex-dividend date on the 19th. But I think these are very, very good momentum plays as well. So I think I might be jumping into Tupperware, actually. I think it's a good company longer term. And as you guys know, my strategy is to do dividend capture and swing trade plays with stocks I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term. That's why I kind of stay away from penny stocks at the moment. If I can't get out of this trade, if Tupperware does go down a few percent after I buy, I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term because it's got a great dividend yield. I think they're great companies that are a little bit on sale. I think they are very good contrarian investment strategies. And again, the whole point behind my investment strategy is that if I can't get out of a stock, I want to have a quality stock that I'm more than happy to hold for the longer term. So I don't buy stocks thinking that I need to get in and out necessarily. If I can't get out of a particular trade, that's fine. I'll hold for the longer term. But if I can get out, great. I can move on to the next dividend capture or next swing trade. So again, two stocks here, STX, TUP. Let me know what you guys think about these two stocks. Maybe you guys have already had these on your radar and are looking to pick these up next week, or maybe have already picked these up last week before they've been trending up here nicely. 2.23, 4.3 for Tupperware, and for Seagate here, 6.49% and 5.48% over the last 1 month and 1 week period. So let me know either way. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you guys enjoy my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. I appreciate the support. Again, please let me know if you guys have any great video ideas. Tupperware was actually mentioned to me by a subscriber. I forget the subscriber name. I was meaning to write that down. I apologize for that. I'm very sorry about that. If you see this video, please let me know in the comment threads down below. In the next video, I'll do a shout out. Definitely appreciate that. And then Seagate here as well. And doing research on TUP, I found Seagate with almost similar type of trading activity over the past 1 year. So I thought I'd include that with the video here. So again, I want to thank that prior subscriber. I forgot to write your name down. I definitely apologize for that. But again, if you guys have any great video ideas, strategies, stocks you're taking a look at, like Tupperware that was mentioned, please let me know. Always looking for new stocks to read up on and maybe do some investing with. So kind of with that, I'll end the video, and we'll see you guys next time.